Hey guys, what's happening? How to use credit card points for free hotel stays. So first of all, choose a travel credit card. You can get cards like Chase Sapphire, Amex Platinum or American Express Platinum, or hotel branded cards. Next, use or earn points on purchases. Use your card for daily spending, dining, and travel to accumulate points. Next, maximize your sign-up bonuses. Meet the spending requirement to unlock large point bonuses. Next, travel or transfer points to hotels. Convert points to programs like Marriott Bonvoy or Hotel Honors or Hyatt Hotel. Okay. Next, book through travel portals. Use your card portal like Chase Ultimate Reward for exclusive deals. Okay. And look for free night certificates. Some cards offer annual free hotel nights, and redeem wisely. Use points during peak seasons or at high value hotels for the best savings. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.